So, totoo nga bang sulit ang Philly TV kumpara sa Signal, GSAT at saka iba pang provider? And ito, isang Philly TV na demo kung anong meron ito. So, sa live TV is meron siyang news channels, NBA channels, UFC, boxing, sports, general entertainment, at saka movies. So, meron pang kids news and educational, music, lifestyle, at saka religious, at saka ito yung mga Philippine local channels and international. And so that's the live TV option. And then my movies and series, which is nandito na yung mga movies, and you can search by region, in theaters, franchises, Philippines, movies, action, romance, comedy, and so on. And it has also series which can be sorted or selected by new release, currently airing, Netflix, Korean, Pinoy drama, Viu, HBO, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV. At saka mayroon pang ibang option sa baba. So, for Netflix, for example, ito yung mga available na choices. And yung mga movies, and for example sa Prime Video, ito rin. So much for that. Going to anime, kung anong meron. So ito, so may mga di ko kilala tong option. So, and so ito may movies and series, tapos may live TV na option. So ito isang package lang na 169 per month only. So ikumpara natin sa Signal, GSAT. Ito kompleto na, may live TV at saka may movies. So yun, sinong masulit?